How to change color in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change color in Capcut. So to do this, what you have to do is open up your Capcut application and log in into your account. Once logged in, you go to your home page and select a new project. I'm going to go with this one and click the add button. Next thing, what else you want to do is you want to go ahead and add the color that you want to go ahead and add it or change the color to. So make sure that you've already downloaded the color. Next, you need to go and click on overlay, click on add overlay, and this is the color that I want to add it to this picture. Click the add button. So you can see this is the object. What you have to do is for the color, you just need to go and up till the full screen, and next thing you want to do is go to the video or the photo that you want to go and change the color. Copy this video and paste it in the. Once done copying it, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now what next you want to do is you want to go to the adjust section, and here you need to go with the color match. So in order to do it, so click on the apply to make changes with your color. You could go ahead and change the intensity just like this. So as you can see that this is how you're going to do it. So you could go with the color correction as well. So if you want to go ahead and change it, just increase or decrease it. Go with the brightness as well, and you could just increase it, and go with the contrast and saturation. After you've actually done this, you need to go ahead and change or make changes with all of these settings, and finally you'll be able to change the color in your Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.